This is Tasha, the Crafty Kraut. We are doing some yard work today. We built a house, and once we were in, we realized that the drainage wasn't working that great. The water kind of sits in our flower bed. So what we did yesterday was we dug a trench the whole length of the walkway, in the inside part of the walkway. And what we're going to do is we're going to lay pipe all the way to right about there, right about this area, and we're going to tap into the pipe that connects the downspout that brings the water away and over that little cliff over there. So what we did was we dug a trench. It's about the width of a shovel, and we placed this French drain, and we dug it just far enough down so it will sit below the walkway, and then we'll backfill like we did here, and so it'll be kind of level with the walkway. Of course, we have to still level that out and flatten it out a little bit. So what that does is there's a drain underneath this white stuff, and the white stuff are little peanuts, and it absorbs the water and it lets it like slowly filter through instead of all the water going into the ground at one time. But then it will also carry away the water, the excess water. And we had to patch a regular pipe here because we had to go underneath the pipe that goes underneath the sidewalk. So we're going to bring it all the way to here. And then here we're going to put a catch basin because a lot of water comes off the side of this right here of this part. So we'll put a catch basin right here, and we'll tie that into our downdraft pipe that goes underneath the sidewalk, and then it kind of goes off. There's like a little cliff right there, so it'll go off that way. So hopefully that will work. But these French drains are pretty easy. I think they're called easy drains, and the little peanuts. So instead of having to dig and put gravel, or you put the plastic stuff and then gravel and then a pipe and then gravel, this kind of does everything all at once. So it's just kind of a one-step thing. So hopefully that will take care of our issue and carry all the water away. Thanks for watching. We'll let you know how it turns out. This is Tasha, the Crafty Kraut. Just wanted to do a quick update on my easy French drain that we installed. We have had no more issues with our bed. The French drain worked really good. It was really easy to install, just a little bit of labor. But we've had no more standing water in this bed. It's been draining off pretty well. So we would definitely recommend the easy French drain. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll continue to do videos on all sorts of things. But anyways, thanks for watching. Would definitely recommend easy French drain.